The next pratyaya is Katavada pratyaya. Athava we can say that is Tavan Tavati pratyaya also we can say like that. In Sanskrit we are saying like that also. Okay. So past active participle. This participle is used to express a past active sense and formed by the addition to the termination of Tavada. Here also we are considering Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. Pullinga is Tavan, Srilinga is Tavati, Napumsakalinga is Tavat. Okay, so Napumsakalinga, instead of the Kutta we are ending with but in Tavada Pratyaya, the Napumsakalinga is ending with Halantya. Halantya means T. Okay. Then there some differences are also there. Vachadhadoho Kitavad Pratyaya is Uktavan. Pullinga Shabda. Uktavan. Vach. Telling something. So that is Vachadhadoho Pullinga Shabda Uktavan. Shrilinga Shabda Uktavati. Napumsaka Shabda Uktavad. Vach. So Vach is not Vakt. It's Ukta. Okay. Uktavan, Uktavati, Uktavat. Like Padhadoho, Tavad Pratyaya, Pitavan, Pullinga, Pitavati, Shrilinga, Pitavat, Napumsakalinga. Next, Jidadoho, Tavad Pratyaya, Jitavan, Pullinga, Jitavati, Shrilinga, Napumsakalinga, Jitavat. Next, Ganadhadoho Tavad Pratyaya, Ganitavan Pullinga, Ganitavati Shrilinga, Ganitavat Napumsakalinga. Like Nyadadoho Tavad Pratyaya, Nyatavan Pullinga, Nyatavati Shrilinga, Nyatavat Napumsakalinga. Gamadadoho Tavad Pratyaya, Gatavan Pullinga, Gatavati, Shrilinga, Gatavat, Napumsakalinga. Again, Prishtadhadoho, Tavad Pratyaya, Prishtavan, Pullinga, Prishtavati, Shrilinga, Prishtavat, Napumsakalinga. Next, Gamadadoho, Tavad Pratyaya, Pullinga, Gatavan, Shrilinga, Gatavati, Gatavat is Napumsakalinga. Then Kathadadoho Tavad Pratyaya Kathitavan Pullinga Kathitavati Shrilinga Kathitavat Napumsakalinga. Next Drishradhadoho Pullinga Shabdaha Drishtavan Shrilinga Shabdaha Drishtavati Napumsaka Shabdaha Drishtavat. Okay. Next Likhadadoho Tavad Pratyaya Likhitavan Pullingam Likhitavati Shrilingam Likhitavat Napumsakalingam. Sthadadoho Tavad Pratyaya. Stha is not Stha, it's Sthitavan. Pullinga Shabda is Sthitavan. Strilinga Shabda is Sthitavati. And Napumsakalinga is Sthitavat. Then Tyajadadoho Tavad Pratyaya Tyaktavan. Pullinga Shabdam Tyaktavati. Strilinga Shabdam Tyaktavat Napumsakalingam. So we can easily figure out what was that. Ending with P is anyway it's Strilinga. Ending with T is anyway it's Napumsakalinga. Ending with N is it's Pullinga. Okay. It's a general categorization of how to figure out this. Tavad Pratyaya. Okay. Strilinga, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga also there. Okay. Take a note over there.